Hey everyone, today we're at the Blue Horizon Hotel in Barbados. It's a cozy, laid-back spot just across from one of the island's best beaches, Rockley Beach. Let's take a little walk together. Here's the pool area, quiet and relaxing, with the restaurant just behind it. Perfect for an afternoon swim or a bite to eat. Now, we're heading into the lobby. It's fully air-conditioned, which is a blessing on hot days like this. We'll head outside and make our way to the beach. Rockley Beach is right across the road. The path starts off a bit rocky as we walk through the parking lot. But once you're there, it's a beautiful place to take in the view. You'll hear the waves crashing and feel that warm Caribbean breeze. Along the beach now. The tide's a bit high today. And while it's a little cloudy, the temperature feels just right. Perfect for a beach walk. Here we turn and start heading back up the beach. Here are some small shops selling local knickknacks and Barbadian clothing, great for souvenirs or just browsing. And if you're hungry, there's a popular local chicken place just down the street called Chefette. It's a go-to for classic Bajan fast food. Now we're heading back up the street toward the hotel, wrapping up our little walk through this relaxing part of Barbados.